Hello learners, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. My name is Namra and I will discuss a new topic which is Foundations of Biochemistry in a video lecture series on biochemistry. So let's start the video. Foundation means a pillar on which any organization stands firmly. So in case of biochemistry, we have five foundations: cellular foundations, chemical foundations, physical foundations, genetic foundations, and evolutionary foundations. The first foundation is cellular foundations. The main component of cellular foundations are cytosol, in which all metabolic activities occurs, source of energy utilized by the cell, and organelles which could be enveloped or unenveloped in case of bacterial cell. Chemical foundations of biochemistry merely based on four types of biomolecules which intricately build the architecture of an organism by fulfilling all the needs required by any life to sustain and reproduce. These biomolecules are carbohydrate, lipid, proteins, and nucleic acid. The main component of these all four biomolecules is the carbon, which makes the versatile bonding with thousands of molecules and with each other. Physical foundations. The main idea behind physical foundations are the energy transfer from the consumption of complex nutrient either in the form of sunlight or chemical substances into the synthesis of complex macromolecules like protein, lipids, DNA, and RNA. Energy which is neither created nor destroyed, but it changes its form continuously. Same as that happens with the living cell, which is an open system, exchange matter and energy with its surrounding. Entropy is a central concept in biochemistry. Life requires continuous maintenance of order in the face of nature's tendency to increase randomness. So on the right side, you can see the diagram in which the chemical components or the chemical complex chemical nutrients in the form of sunlight and other organic molecules consumed by the organism, heat is generated, entropy increases with the breakdown of molecule, and entropy decreases with the formation of macromolecules, which are DNA and RNA. Also the byproduct also generated. Genetic foundation is basically based on the DNA. The deoxyribonucleic acid is the storing body for the inherent characteristic and all the information of life, made up of four different nucleotides, which makes a magical code. By the combination of three different nucleotides encodes the protein. DNA is a ladder-shaped structure which contains all the information. Evolutionary foundation. We found the structure of DNA in 1953, but billions of years ago, this DNA was still present at the Earth. Not correctly known whether in a cell or in the form of RNA, but surely there was something which retains the information of life and transferred that information into different life forms. In this diagram, you can see the evolution of eukaryotic cell from primitive endosymbionts, which over the time acquired chloroplast by the fusion of cyanobacteria, give rise to plant cell, and those endosymbionts which didn't acquire, they becomes animal cell. If we summarize it all, so the foundations together, it would be definitely, it starts from evolutionary foundation, from where the cell comes first. The cell which we see after a very long evolutionary period contains cytosol, in which biomolecule breaks and synthesizes and releases energy for the cell to grow, respire and reproduce, by the means of which information which we have in our DNA comes from our parents and from their parents many years ago. So here, if you give a one-word summary to all the five foundations, so it could be the cellular foundation means the cytosol, chemical foundation based on biomolecule, physical foundation based on energy transformation, and genetic foundation is the genetic foundation, we can say that the based on DNA. Evolutionary foundations, evolution basically occur by the mutation in genetic material, which give rise to the three domains of life, which is archaea, bacteria, and eukaryote. So this is all for today. If you like the video, Please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. If you want to learn biochemistry more with me, stay with me. Thank you.